This episode of Unbox Therapy is brought to you by Netflix.
What's up guys, Lou here, and I'm excited to announce yet another giveaway. This one has been heavily requested by you guys. I was looking around thinking about what to do for the next giveaway, which is happening this Sunday, and the most requested single item was the new 128 gigabyte iPad. So here it is. Your chance, your opportunity to walk away with the largest capacity, latest generation iPad. So what do you have to do to win? It's pretty damn simple, just like my other giveaways. There's a link down below my face in the description which will take you to the location of my live show. My live show happens on Sundays, so this giveaway is not going to be open very long. You're going to stand a chance to win pretty damn soon. This Sunday at 5 p.m. Eastern Time is when it's all going down. So the link is down below. Head over to that link and log into the website. The website is YouNow. They are one of the great supporters of Unbox Therapy. They help make these giveaways possible. So head over to that link down below, log into the website, get a head start on everyone else, and wait for Sunday when the official giveaway is going to happen. If you're worried about, missing out on the Sunday giveaway or just forgetting, the best thing to do is to follow me on Twitter. I'm available at Unbox Therapy, also on Facebook. Those links are down in the description as well, and I will keep those spaces updated on the day of the giveaway. I'll tell you, hey, I'm going live in an hour, whatever, so that you don't miss it. Now, if you don't know what 5 p.m. Eastern is in your local time zone, I'll put some popular time conversions down in the description as well so you don't miss out, or at least you can plan for it. So I think that pretty much covers everything. If I forgot something, then check the description one more time because that'll have the full layout and the full list. The main thing here is to click the link to the live show and log in right now so you're ready to go when this giveaway actually takes off and you actually have an opportunity to win it. So pretty straightforward stuff. Love giving back to you guys. It's an awesome thing to do to get new technology into your hands. So if you enjoy this stuff, please make sure to leave a thumbs up down below. And hey, a new iPad for one of you guys this Sunday. Don't miss it. By this point in time, I'm sure most of you guys have heard about Netflix, and there's also probably a number of you that are already members. But for those of you that have been holding out, there's a really good reason to join the service, or at least try the service right now. That reason is House of Cards, an amazing series that just dropped exclusively on Netflix. I went through all 13 episodes in about 2 days. They spent like $100 million. That's right, $100 million to produce it. So it's like movie level production, but in a long drawn out series, which is a pretty cool experience. So as I said before, if you've been holding out on trying out the service, now is the time. Plus, there's a free trial. There's a link down in the description that will take you to that free trial, and it'll help out the show at the same time. That link, for those of you that are watching on services where you can't see the description, is netflix.com/therapy. I'll put it probably up above my head as well if I can fit it there. So once again, netflix.com/therapy. Help out this show. Go watch some other cool shows. It's a win-win situation. All right, thanks guys.
No.